Okay, today we're looking at the Bugs 3 brushless motor drone. It's a 2.4 gigahertz, and this model is one that doesn't come with an action cam, but it is mounted for one. So let's take it out of the box and see what we've got. Okay, so here's what we have out of the box. You've got your remote control, your blades, which are a stiffer material than I'm used to on drone blades. You've got a backup set of blades as well, your mounting gear for landing, or your landing gear, your blade protectors there, your action camera mount, AC adapter to charge it, and then the drone itself. Let's look at that. It's beautiful. It's a little hefty. It weighs more than it looks, but that is one pretty drone. All right, let's put it together.